In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Microsoft Copilot. If you use Copilot regularly and want the interface and responses in a language you're most comfortable with, this walkthrough will make it quick and easy. I'll guide you through opening Copilot, finding the right settings, and choosing your preferred language so everything feels familiar the next time you chat. Start by opening Microsoft Copilot. You can launch the Copilot app if you have it installed, or access Copilot in your browser. Many people use it in Microsoft Edge, but it also works in other modern browsers. Once Copilot is open and you're on the main chat screen, you're ready for the next part. Now open Settings. Look for your profile picture near the top corner, or find the small gear icon that represents Settings. Either option takes you to the same place. Depending on your device, this might appear in a sidebar, a menu, or a drop-down. Don't worry if you're not signed in. You can still access language options in most cases. If you are signed in, your language choice will usually carry across devices where you use the same account. Before we switch the language, a quick note if you're just getting started. I've placed a direct link to the Copilot website and the official app download at the very top of the video description. Use those links to open Copilot in your browser or to install the app on your device for the best experience. In Settings, look for Language or sometimes Region and Language. The exact wording can vary slightly by platform, but it's the same place you manage how Copilot displays content. This setting usually affects the interface language, and may also influence how Copilot formats dates, numbers, and certain regional details. If you see separate options for display language and input language, focus on display language to change the overall Copilot experience. Next, select your preferred language from the list. Scroll until you find the language you want. Then confirm your choice. In some cases, Copilot will update instantly. On other devices, you might see a prompt to refresh the page or restart the app. If that happens, go ahead and refresh or relaunch so the change applies everywhere. That's it. Copilot will now use your selected language. If you ever want to switch back or try another language, just return to the same setting and choose a different option. If you don't see the language you need, make sure your app or browser is up to date and try again. Thanks for watching.